In this video, I will show you how to trade stickers in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Monopoly Go. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've added the friend that you want to trade stickers with. So to do that, come down to the bottom right hand corner and you're going to see the friends icon. What you want to do is press onto this, and from here you can go ahead and invite friends. So what you can do is press the invite button and share your invite link. Now if you've already gone ahead and done that and you've got a friend ready to trade stickers with, the next thing you're going to want to do is come to your album. So what you're going to want to do again at the bottom in the taskbar is press onto the album button, and that's going to take you across to all your albums. Now it's important to note at this point you can only trade stickers that you have duplicates of. So for example, if I go into the Robin Hood album, you can see all the stickers that have a +1 are going to be the ones that have duplicates. You can see some of these have +2, which means I have 2 duplicate stickers. So what you want to do is select the sticker that you want to trade. Once you've done that and you press onto the sticker that you've got a duplicate of, you can see at the bottom it says send to friend. Now you can do this up to 5 times every single day, and all you want to do is press the send to friend button and go ahead and choose the friend from your friend list that you want to send the sticker to. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what needs to happen next is your friend now needs to go into their album and repeat the process. So they need to send a duplicate sticker to you, and that's how you can go ahead and trade stickers in Monopoly Go. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.